Have you ever faced such a moment where you sit down to edit or render, full of ideas, creative mindset, and in the next moment, the system just slows you down? Timelines lag, rendering takes a lot of time. I know that every creator has been in this stage once in a lifetime. Well, we don't want you to be in that situation. So for that, we built the Pro Maven-G platform so that your tools do not come in the way of your work. The system I'm showing you today is a part of the same platform. It comes in both black and white. Top of the line specs with Intel Ultra 9, 285K, RTX 5090, 128 gigs of DDR5 memory and a high airflow design to keep it stable under all of those workloads. And for the editors out there, you guys know that the previous generation of GPUs could not handle H.264 422 footage natively, right? Proxies were actually a must in that case. Well, this system solves that issue. You finally get smooth real-time playback from your camera files. Well, not only for the editors, but for 3D artists and CAD designers, that means faster render speeds. Oh, and also amazing AI inference speeds. To get an idea of its performance, we actually tested it against the previous generations in our internal testing labs, and the results were actually astonishing. In Premiere Pro, the Ultra 9 CPU was 17% faster, with the GPU adding a 6% boost. And in DaVinci Resolve, the jump was huge. It was 20% faster on the CPU and 30% faster on the GPU. In Blender, the CPU improved by 9%, but the GPU really shined with a 27% leap on cutting down render times significantly. On AI workloads, the DeepSeek R1 70 billion model hit 4.5 tokens per second. The 32 billion version reached 66 tokens per second, while Qwen 2.5 delivered 150 tokens per second on 14 billion and 223 tokens per second on 7 billion. Okay, so these numbers aside, it's quite simple. You finish more work in less time. And you know what the bigger picture is? This system here, or the Pro Maven-G platform, it's not just a single build. You can scale it up according to your needs. Up to 96-core AMD or Intel processor, NVIDIA GPUs with up to 96 GB of VRAM, up to 192 GB of DDR5 memory. So whether you're editing films, designing products, or inferencing AI models, this platform actually grows with you. But do you know what makes our system truly the best? It's not about the specifications. It's how we stand with you after you get the system from us. From understanding your workflow challenges to providing on-site support anywhere in the country, we'll make sure that you are never left on your own. And actually, that's the reason why most of our customers keep returning again and again. Because here, you're not just buying a PC. You're investing in performance backed by people who actually care. और ऐसे भी नहीं है कि हमारे पास कोई लैंग्वेज बैरियर है सपोर्ट में. अगर हिंदी में चाहिए आपको तो हिंदी में मिल जाएगा. If you want it in English, we have it in English. আমরা बांग्लाते सपोर्ट दे, हमें ओडिया रे भी सपोर्ट दियो, मलयालത്തിൽ വേണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മലയാളത്തിലും കിട്ടും. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. We'll meet in our next video.